viewers, this is Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 2.5 in Unit 2 linear equations in one variable. In that first question, solve the following equation. n by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal to 2 by 3. Here n is the variable. So as usual, like previous exercise, we have to bring the variables to one side and the constants to other side. Variables you should keep on left side because variable here n is a subject. We have to find the value of n. So always subject should lie on the left side. So I am keeping n by 5 as it is. Minus 5 by 7 I will take to RHS. So it will become plus 5 by 7. Now here you got 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7, that is addition of fractions. If you see the denominators are 3 and 7, they are unlike fractions. So we have to take LCM. Okay. So n by 5 equal to LCM of 3 and 7 is how much? 3 and 7 are co-prime numbers. So LCM is 21. 3 how many times it will go? In 7. 21. 7 times. So 7 into 2 plus 7 how many times it will go in 21? 3 times. So 3 into 5. So n by 5 equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 3 5s are 15 by 21. That is n by 5 is nothing but 14 plus 15 is how much? 29. 29 by 21. Now here you got n by 5 equal to 29 by 25. But I want the value of n. So if you can take cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, right? So how you write here? N into 21, 5 into 29. So n into 21 equal to 5 into 29 is how much? 29 into 5. 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 2s are 10, 14. So 145. So you got 145. So what is n here? 145 by 21. Any cancellation is possible? 145 and 21 will go in any table? No. So n equal to 145 by 21 is the answer. So in the first bit there are 12 sums children. So I am explaining alternate sums. Yes. Third one is z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 equal to 8. Here the variable is z. We have to find the value of z. If you see the variables in LHS only and the constant here is on the RHS. So here we should take the LCM of 2, 3 and 6. What is the LCM of 2, 3 and 6? You will get the 6 as the LCM. Okay. 2 how many times it will go in 6? 3 times. So 3 into z, 3z plus 3 how many times it will go in 6? 2 times. So 2 into z, 2z minus 6 how many times it will go? 1 time. 1 into z, z equal to 8. Now these are the like variables. So you have to do calculations here. 3z plus 2z is how much? 5z. 5z minus z by 6 equal to 8. 5z minus z is how much? 4z. 4z by 6 equal to 8. Here 8 you can write as 8 by 1. Then go for cross multiplication. So here you get 4z into 1 equal to 8 into 6. Now 4z into 1 is nothing but 4z. 8 6 are 40. Z equal to 48 by 4. Do cancellation with 4 table. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So z you got as 12. Coming to fifth one, 9 1 by 4 equal to y minus 1 1 3 by 5. Here what is the variable children? Y is the variable, and if you see the question, the y is on the right side. Okay, no problem. You can take here to left side by taking minus y, or you can write a equal to b as b equal to a, right? So I will write y minus 1 1 by 3 equal to 9 1 by 4. Just I am shifting LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. Next, convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Y minus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 equal to 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 1, 37 by 4. Now here 4 by 3 is a constant, take that constant to that side. So y equal to 37 by 4 minus 4 by 3, when it transpose to other side it will become plus 4 by 3. Now we should go for LCM. 4 and 3 LCM is how much? 12, because 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers, right? Now 4 how many times it will go? In 12 3 times. So 3 into 37 plus 3 how many times it will go in 12? 4 times. So 4 into 4. Right? Now y equal to, so 37 into 3 is how much? 111. 111 plus 4 4s are 16 by 12. So when you add 111 plus 16, how much you will get? 127 by 12. Okay, and you can, this is an improper fraction, you can convert into mixture if you want. Y equal to 127 by 12 is the answer. Next, seventh question. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are constants, and the x by 2, x by 3 are the variables. Take variables to one side and the constants to other side. That is one method. Or you can take LCM here and LCM here. After that you can do cross multiplication. Even then you get the same answer. So I am writing variables on one side. X by 2 I am writing here. X by 3 I will transpose here. It will become minus x by 3. And here already 1 by 2 is there. Take this minus 1 by 4 to that side. It will become plus 1 by 4. Now LCM you take in the LHS as well as in the RHS. LCM of 2 and 3 is how much? 6. 2 how many times it will go in 6? 3 times. So 3 into x, 3x minus 3 how many times it will go in 6? 2 times. So 2 into x, 2x equal to, here LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 how many times it will go in 4? 2 times. So 2 ones are 2 plus 4 how many times it will go in 4? 1 time. So 1 ones are 1. Now 3x minus 2x is how much? X. X by 6 equal to 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. 3 by 4. Now what is the next step? Here we have to take the cross multiplication, right? So you get 4 into x equal to 3 into 6. So what is x here? 3 into 6 by 4. Any cancellation possible? 2 table. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So x equal to 3 into 3 by 2. That is x equal to 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2 is the answer. Next one, ninth question. 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 equal to minus 2 by 4. Here you should go for cross multiplication. So 4 into 8p minus 5. You should multiply this full with 4 equal to minus 2 into 7p plus 1. Okay, go for distributive property. 4 into 8p. How much 4 8s are? 32p minus 4 5s are 20. Right? And here minus 2 7s are 14. 14p and minus into plus minus 2 1s are 2. Now bring all the variables to one side and the constants to the other side. So 32p, take this minus 14 to this side, so it will become plus 14. P equal to minus 2, take this minus 20 to that side, it will become plus 20. Now 32 plus 14 is how much? 46p equal to minus 2 plus 20 is 18. So what is p here? 18 by 46. Cancellation is possible? Yes. 2 9s are 2 23s are. So p equal to 9 by 23 is the answer. Next question. Last question I am taking. It's very big. 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 equal to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. If you see, in all this you are having variable. So in this case, you find the LCM for the LHS and LCM in the RHS, right? Now first here, 16 and 7. What are 16 and 7? They are co-prime members. They are not having any common factor. Okay, so what is the LCM of 16 and 7? Multiplication of the two numbers. That is 16 7s are 112. 112 is the LCM. So 16 how many times it will go in 7? 7 times. 7 into 3t plus 1. You should keep that in full bracket. Minus 7 how many times it will go in 112? 16 times. So 16 into 2t minus 3. First I am doing LHS solution children here. Now 7 3s are 21t plus 7 1s are 7 distributive property minus 16 2s are 32t, and if you see minus into minus plus 16 3s are 48 by 112. Now here 21t minus 32t. How much you get? Minus 11t plus 7 plus 48. how much? Plus 55 by 112. Up to here I got LHS. Now I will come for this RHS. LCM of 8 and 14. How much? 8 and 14 are not co-prime numbers. So go for LCM. When you do 2 4s are 2 7s are, so common 2 8 8 7 are 56. 56 is the now LCM of 8 and 14 you got as 2 4 8 8 7 are 56. So 8 how many times it will go in 56? 7 times. So 7 into t plus 3 plus 14 how many times it will go in 56? 14 4 are 56. So 4 into 3t minus 1. Now multiply it, distributive property, 7 into t 70 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 4 3s are 12, 12t minus, plus into minus minus, 4 1s are 4 by 56. 70 plus 12t is how much? 19t plus 21 minus 4. How much you get? 17 plus 17 by 56. Now here you should go for cross multiplication. Here if you observe 112 and 56 is a very bigger number. See any cancellation possible in the denominators and numerators you can see. If you observe 56 and 112, 56 1s are 56, 56 2s are 112. So you can cancel here. Okay. So finally you got minus 11t plus 55 by 2 equal to 19t plus 17 by 1. Okay. Now you go for cross multiplication. So 1 into this you get the same thing. 2 into 19t plus 17. Okay. Now minus 11t plus 55. So 2 19 2s are how much? 38t plus 2 into 17 34. Now take variables to one side and the constants to the other side. So minus 11t, take this plus 38 to here, it will become minus 38t, and 34 is here, take plus 55 to that side, it will become minus 55. Now 11t minus 38t means both are minus. When both are minus, you have to go for addition and keep minus symbol. So 38 plus 11 is how much? 49. So minus 49t equal to 34 minus 55. One is addition and one is subtraction. You should do subtraction and keep bigger number symbol. So 55 minus 34 is how much? Minus 21. Okay. Now when both sides minus is there, you can cancel children. So 49 t equal to 21. Then t equal to 21 by 49. If you see 21 and 49 will go in 7 table. 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49. So t is nothing but 3 by 7.